amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Channel Fernandez and आयजूय हांव व्हिडिओ कोत्ता एक इन्सिडंट सांगो which is very important because जायतो यूथ आमगेलो आहा or the Gen Z generation then दिसता if any boy or if any girl leaves them or तेंगे breakup जाले or if they cheat on them then it is the end of their life, which is not. You can still live a happy life. You can get someone really better. तुवें दुसरो तुका सोडून गेल म्हण तुगेलो जीव घेवपाक गरज ना. सो हांव तुमकां आयज एक इन्सिडंट सांगता जो जालोलो आमगे कॅज्युअलिटी ते पेशंट येयलोले आनी तेणें आपणे जीव घेवना बट तेणें आपली लायफ ट्रान्सफॉर्म केली ती. So yes, a 24 years old girl had come in the casualty 6 months ago आणि ते रोडटाले. शी वॉज ऑलमोस्ट इन अ पॅनीक अटॅक. BP ड्रॉप जालोलो आनी ते सामकें अशें करून तोंड पडलोल्या भशेन आसलोलें. सो मागीर आमी ताका बेजीक मेडिकल केअर कितें दिवपा आसलो तें दिलें एंड देन वी आस्क्ड द हिस्ट्री लायक वॉट एक्झॅक्टली हॅड हॅपन्ड. सो द थिंग वॉज लायक तेगे 8 years ऑफ रिलेशनशीप आसलो सो तितून तेगेलें ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेकअप जालोलें आनी द रिजन फॉर ब्रेकअप वॉज लायक टू पथेटीक. वन ऑफ द रिजन इज लायक ते चोड खूंय आपणें फर्दर एड्युकेशन घेवपाक खूंय ते बँगलोर गेलोले. सो वन इज लॉंग डिस्टन्स एंड सेकंडली दॅट शी हॅड गेन्ड वेट एंड शी डीड नॉट लूक लायक शी वॉज लुकींग प्रायर. So indirectly this guy used to body shame her every day but she used to just take it very lightly until one day he cheated on her and gave her the reason that you are too fat and you are not meant for me and you are not worth of me म्हण. ते आयकनाका मुगे आनी मुगे कलिगागे तकलें एकू लायक लायक ते डिस्कशन जालें म्हणटकूच लायक आय एम लायक dude, this girl gave you 8 years of her life. इतू तुका 8 hours दिली, तुका फेथफूल रावल तें, तुजे चीट केलें ना तेणें and in all this you are telling her you are not worth. I mean to say full 8 years and तुका तेदो उगडास येयलें की now she is not worth just because she has gained weight and just because she is in a long distance relationship. Like the meaning of love is all about being with each other and being teen. तेंचो लव म्हणल्यार तेंचो फकत बारीक आसूं जाय एशको चीट बी कोत्ताय चोय. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द रिजन लायक आतां जनरेशन ओ द जेन झी जनरेशन चूजीस लॉट ऑफ सिट्युएशनशीप ओवर रिलेशनशीप म्हणटाय ते भाशेन. सो हें जालें मागीर आमी ताका मेडिकल केअर दिलो नेसेसरी. सो मागीर ताका आमी बरे भशेन समजायलें दॅट whatever happened like now you have to move on in life and ताका आमी हेंय सांगलें सी it will never be easy to move on in life because you had been with that person for 8 years but you have to try your level best. तुगे लायफान एक गोल दवरूं जाय, something what you want to pursue, like you have to be a better person and in future you might meet someone who will really understand you, who will really love you for being you. And we motivated her that you should try to be the best version of your self. God has a plan for you. ताका आमी सांगिल्लें जोरी तो 8 years of रिलेशनशिपान रावन तुगेलें हार्ट ब्रेक करूं शकता. जस्ट इमॅजिन इफ यू वूड हॅव मॅरीड दॅट गाय जाल्यार मॅरीड जायनूय तो तुगेलो हार्ट ब्रेक करून असो शकतालो. सो आतां टायमार जायन बऱ्या पडलें बिकॉज वन्स यू आर इन टू मॅरेज देन थिंग्स गेट मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो ताका सांगलें की जालें तें तुगे बरें जालें. नाव यू हॅव टू टेक अ स्टेप फॉर युअर सेल्फ एंड मूव ऑन इन लायफ. लायक हेंच मोती दवरपाचें की देवान केलें तें बरें केलें एंड नाव यू हॅव टू have faith on God and just move on. So she was not in a mood to listen to all of us. होकोत आनी होकोत म्हणटाले आपणा बारबर तेशको कित्या जालें, आपण कित केलोलें, आपण तेका फेथफूल रावलोलें, 8 years of my life दिलोली. सो तेगे तेंच वाय मी वॉट वॉज सो रॉंग इन मी. म्हणजे शी वॉज लायक फूल ऑफ लायक शी वॉज व्हेरी डिसहार्टन लायक इतू कोण देखून आपणा इतू कित्या जालें काय म्हण. सो मागीर तेगे मामी म्हणू लागली डॉक्टर ताका आज राती एटलिस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशना दवर कित्या आय डोंट फील इट सेफ टू टेक हर होम आनी तेगे डॅडी भायर आहा म्हणू लागली. सो वी केप्ट हर फॉर ऑब्जर्वेशन ओवरनायट and during that time we just counseled her very nicely. We told her you will get thoughts etole like like calling him, phoning him आणि then ताका full on block करून दवरलेलें सगळें. ते पिश्या भाशेन आपणे मामीगे नंबराचेर सोन देखून ते ट्राय करताले कॉल करपाक. she could not accept the fate that her 8 years of relationship was in vain. I feel, see, there will be thoughts in your mind, like तुगे तकलें जाय thoughts येतले, so you have to divert your mind, like you can go to the gym, or you can go for Zumba classes, or you can do some yoga session. Secondly, आमी तेक सांगिल्ले, like now you have to come out of that shell. Like तिगे मामी सांगतली की both of them were only speaking with each other. Although he was cheating, तो तेजे चीट करतालो, बट हें हूय तेकोडे उलयतालें, like even friend circles बी तेणें like सगळ्यांक पयस केलो. She was so much into him. So we told her socialize. And one of the reason कितें जाता, like people try to suicide and all, because जेदोना ती relationship वयता they are so much attached to that one person that they forget that they have friends around them. ती तेंको बी उलोयनाय, like that one person मैं उसी से प्यार करती हूँ म्हणटाय ते यही स्वतः कि they have family around them, they can share with them, and they feel they are so lonely कि they feel that to मनीस गेलो, whether it is a boy or a girl, they feel now the last option is like we'll end a life. That is, no, you can speak to your family, you can speak to your friends, anyhow you have to get out of that. Like आमी तेका advice अशें बी दिले, like, and somewhere she was like step by step ते calm down जायत येतालें. Side by side we sent some of her blood test. आमी तेका PCOD लागू ultrasound करूं लायल्लो, and thyroid test तेगे check करून काडले, just in order to find out why she was gaining weight. Her mother was more insisting on finding the reason for her gain of weight. So one is fast food ते हातालें, but with that आनी कितें आहा जाल्या, like some thyroid PCOD. So ते आमी find out करपा try. So the thyroid detect जालो, some hypothyroidism she had, so she was started on medicines and discharged. And later somewhat she had a strong motive also that she would reduce weight. They like तेगे ते दोड्यान दिसताले, like she had that anger on him, and somewhere she was like planning for a sort of a revenge, like she wanted to show him like losing her was his biggest mistake of life. But I think ते दोड्यान आहलो ते गेल्या तेश कोन मागीर तेगे हें सगलें केलें, and then we discharged her. And after that we did not meet her, as in recently, like 2 to 3 days prior, we happened to meet her. हांव आनी मुगे colleague आम duty आसलोली, and she happened to come and go to see. She was totally a different person, mentally and emotionally and physically also. She was looking very very fit. She had reduced lot of weight. They may सांगोला that I'm going to the gym, and I am taking thyroid medications, like I've changed my lifestyle, and I'm focusing on myself. Like I have already healed from the past, and somewhere I have forgiven him, but I have not forgotten what he has done. सांगता ते तेणें आपणा कॉल केले आनी म्हणले that it was my biggest mistake. I have video share केला to motivate people around me, the changes around me who are like facing breakup and who land into depression or end in suiciding. Like this is not the end. ते छोडवाचो example घे. She moved out of it, she took it, and she handled it very nicely, very gracefully. Now in this case it is a girl, but there are boys also. Society छोडवा hai who has like done, cheated and all that stuff. So both the genders are equally affected, boys as well as girls. Boys are also very emotional. So तुमकां मुगे हो video like जाल जाल्यार do like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.